answers. The rust is heavier here than I expected.
The chassis is solid.
The chassis is solid, but the armor needs a complete refit. The mounting points are severely compromised here.
We need to start with the structural integrity of the cabin before anything else.
I'm documenting the damage to the windshield now. It's extensive. The steering column appears to be seized.
Check the pneumatic lines here.
Status on the rear hub? The primary damage is centered on these suspension mounts.
Noted.
And the hydraulic lines are completely rusted.
Let's mark this section for immediate replacement.
Check the frame alignment near this hinge. Copy that.
Needs a full structural scan.
Agreed. Get it done before dark. Keep it slow. Adjust the tension on the front port cables.
Tension secure.
Monitor the suspension flex.
Suspension is bearing the load.
Secure the rear wheels tightly.
Roger that.
Technicians, ensure all restraints are double-checked. Let's move it.
Keep it steady. Guide it in. Perfect. Now the chocks. Stand clear, setting the supports.
The rust is deep here. Focus on the upper panel damage first. Copy that, starting now.
Keep it steady there, around the hubs.
Copy that. Moving slow. Keep it steady there, around the plating.
Almost done with this section.
Watch the water pressure, lower it slightly. Keep the pressure steady on the frame. Focus on the vents here.
Copy that.
Good, now move to the front plating. Be careful around that dent. Keep working on this bracket.
Copy that.
We need this chassis section spotless by nightfall.
The preliminary cleaning reveals significant damage.
It's worse than we thought.
We need to reinforce the chassis first.
The primary structural damage is near the wheel well,
Documenting the severity.
and this rust on the rear exhaust needs immediate attention.
The primary coolant line here is completely seized. We'll need to work slowly to avoid cracking the casing. All right, straps are secured. Take the tension.
Tension is set.
Slow lift, 5% power. Lifting. Carefully disconnect the feed line on the left.
Understood.
Place the bracket in the designated container for cleaning.
Affirmative.
Now, we move to the central manifold. All right, let's carefully lift the latch now. Engagement confirmed, opening slowly.
Check the frame for stress points as it opens.
Noted. Careful with the hydraulic seals. The seat mounting points here are particularly corroded.
Yes, we're working on them.
Use the precision tool on the control mounts.
Done, they're clean.
All right, team, let's start with the chassis and firewall structural checks.
Confirming stress tests on sections 3 and 5.
Good, and let's begin removing the rest of the corrosion on the rear axle housing.
All right, hooks are secure. Proceed with the lift on my mark. Affirmative. Ready, boss. Secure the brackets firmly.
Adjust the angle there, please.
Chains are secure, ma'am.
Begin the lift, slow and steady.
Okay, lift slowly now. Watch the frame.
Lifting, stay clear.
Slow and steady. Hold that line. Keep it centered.
Copy, centered. Keep it steady. Down a little to the right. Looks good. Let's secure the clamps. Rusted out here. We'll need new panels. All right, let's start with this external plating.
Careful with the seal there, boss.
Got it. Contaminated hose, add it to the tray.
Keep scraping those lower brackets, Character A.
Looking good, leader.
Let's move on to the exhaust manifold now. The intake valves show significant pitting. I recommend full replacement.
Agreed.
We can find OEM spec parts. Keep it steady. We want those parts spotless. Bubbling looks good. It's working. Pass me that housing. Verified clean. Ready for rebuild. Moving to assembly station.
Torque check complete.
Bearing aligns perfectly.
Install the main coolant hose.
Securely attached, ma'am.
Looks good, team. Let's move to the hydraulics.
Keep an eye on the fuel injector alignment.
Got it. Looks correct.
Torque those main bearings to spec, please. Green wire to port 7.
Yeah.
Reading 12.6. Stable. Keep it even on the manifolds, no overspray near the solenoid.
Understood. Looks good, ma'am.
Excellent. Let's move to the intake. Looks ready for testing. The intake readings are steady.
Pressure is holding strong.
Monitor the exhaust manifold closely.
Looks good. Running within parameters.
The engine is completely rebuilt and mechanically prepared. It's ready to return to the tumbler. Keep it steady. Secure the main rail first.
All right, she's holding. Check the mounts. Looking good on this side.
Keep the light steady.
Looks good, boss. Ready for the next section.
All right, let's keep this momentum. Excellent progress. Check the torque settings against the schematic.
It's good to go, leader.
Secure the mount. We can't have any wobble. The front right hub needs a full rebuild.
Understood. I'll start dismantling it now.
Check the brake lines on the rear assemblies. Some are corroded.
Looks tight enough.
Let me check the clearance.
Verified. It's solid.
The primary suspension mounts are all good.
Yeah, the lateral support bracing looks solid as well.
Excellent. The running gear is fully restored. Inspect this dent carefully. We have stress cracks.
Right, and the seam here needs reinforcement.
Check the corrosion at the rear mounting points. Keep the beam steady. Almost there. How does it look? Clean. Clean, ready for the new panel.
The panel is aligned. Secure it now.
Initiating fasteners.
Continue the connection points. Check the alignment.
I'm starting the weld.
Good, the seam is clean and the surface is continuous. Move to the next section.
Roger that.
The brackets are good to go. Attach them now. Securing the panels. Check the alignment of those vents.
The mechanisms are holding up well.
Smooth as silk.
Perfect. We can proceed to the interior now. Keep scrubbing that patch, it's still corroded.
Yes, ma'am.
That bracket needs reinforcement.
On it, boss.
Check the connections on the primary flight panel.
Looks good, boss. Wiring is routed clean.
Secure that mounting bracket firmly.
Looks like the seats are perfectly aligned now. Good work, guys.
Thanks, boss. It's ready for electrical.
The connection on the upper module is secure.
Good.
Continue securing the peripheral systems.
The mounting points are clean.
All right, lining up the housing now.
Secure it tightly. This wiring needs attention next.
Line it up here.
Just a little to the left.
Perfect.
Give it a quick polish, and we're good. Lubrication is complete. Let's check the pedal movement.
Smooth through the range.
And the yokes?
Perfect.
Main circuits online.
Check side power relays.
Verified. All systems nominal.
Instrument panel check, all green.
Wiring secure, controls engaged. Outstanding work. The rear section needs more attention. Copy that. Moving to the left panel. Ensure the pressure is steady. Maximum 4 tons. Perfect. Release.
Keep it level. Just a little more to the right.
Ready with the weld.
Perfect. Secure it. The alignment looks good now. Tighten that one more time. Copy that. All clear on this side.
The intake looks good. Let's move to the main exhaust ports.
Securing this mounting here, make sure it's tight. The mounting points are clean.
Bring the new assembly.
Perfect, secure it.
The rear structure is secure. Check the side panels and ensure the vents and access panels are flush.
The chassis and mechanical systems are fully operational,
Confirmed. The bodywork is flawless.
ready for prep and paint.
Keep the pressure even on the upper panels.
Yes, ma'am.
Moving to the side sections now. Keep working on that seam. Make sure the pressure is even. Yes, boss. Moving on to the next panel now. First, the rear chassis seems perfect.
Yeah,
Moving up to the armored panels and seams.
looks good.
Now, the cockpit exterior and front.
Keep the pressure steady on the seams. We need this perfectly clean. Copy that. Moving to the vents now.
The rear vents are perfect.
Looking good up here too.
Confirming the hood and sides are ready for final clear coat.
Keep it even on the front fender.
Got it. The seam looks good here.
Okay.
We've got the final assembly tools ready. Excellent. Let's start the cockpit detailing. The finish looks flawless. Agreed. The seams hold perfectly. The front wheel hub looks secure.
Roger that.
Check the tension on this cockpit bracket.
Tightening now.
Perfect. Move to the side panel.
The polishing is complete.
Inspecting the brake lines.
Ready to install.
Let's do it.
All right, slowly, easy now.
Got it, watch the hub.
Secure the lug nuts. 3, 2, 1, torque.
Check.
Perfect, move out. Looks perfect. Verified, all systems check.
Keep it steady. Down a little to the left.
Confirmed, lowering slowly.
Perfect. It's in position.
All right, just a little to the left. Careful,
Hold it there.
slow. Perfect, lower it down.
That's it.
Solid, bolted in. The mounts are secure. Check the fluid lines again. Wiring is solid. Good. Let's start final integration.
Hoses secured. Wiring checked. Torque wrench on mounting points. Final systems check. Ready for ignition.
Line it up perfectly. Use the torque wrench for these final bolts.
Solid, looks good, boss.
Excellent. Now we can finally start the diagnostics. The front right caliper is holding steady. Good. Now rotate the steering to the left, slowly. Verified, smooth actuation. Moving to the right. Front's active. Check connection. Markers next. Status is green. Sides, then full rear. Ensure every millimeter is flawless.
Copy that.
Perfection is the standard here.
Looking pristine, boss.
The tumbler is fully restored.
Looks perfect, boss.
Ready for power up. All checks complete. Prepare for controlled start. Copy that. Ready for ignition. All right, bring it forward.
Looking good.
Solid start.
She's finally ready. Incredible work, team. Outstanding work, team. She runs like new.
Mission accomplished.
Ready for delivery. All right, bring it to a stop. Looking good.
Solid.
Status green, team. Excellent work.
After years, she's back. She looks perfect, boss. Ready for the streets.